The Jeep Grand Wagoneer has always represented the top end of the Jeep lineup, blending luxury, capability, and American craftsmanship into one large sport utility vehicle. For 2026, Jeep is taking that formula even further while continuing production at the historic Warren Truck Assembly Plant in Warren, Michigan. The updated Grand Wagoneer arrives with fresh styling, advanced technology, a refined lineup structure, and an important role in Jeep's future electrification plans. What makes this story especially interesting is where these vehicles are built. The Warren Truck Assembly Plant has been part of American automotive manufacturing for decades. The facility has become the home of the Wagoneer and Grand Wagoneer family, producing some of the largest and most luxurious vehicles in the Stellantis portfolio. Every 2026 Jeep Grand Wagoneer rolling into dealerships begins its journey on the assembly lines inside this Michigan plant. The Warren facility has undergone significant modernization in recent years. Stellantis invested heavily to prepare the plant for current and future vehicle production, including support for electrified models. The upgrades have allowed the plant to remain competitive while preserving thousands of manufacturing jobs. Advanced robotics, precision welding systems, automated paint operations, and strict quality control procedures are all part of the production process. Building a Grand Wagoneer is far more complex than assembling a typical vehicle. Each sport utility vehicle moves through multiple stages, beginning with body construction and welding. The vehicle then enters the paint shop, where multiple layers of paint and protective coatings are applied. From there, it moves to final assembly, where technicians install the powertrain, suspension, interior components, electronics, luxury materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Quality remains a major focus throughout production. Every Grand Wagoneer undergoes extensive inspections before leaving the factory. Technicians check everything from panel alignment and paint quality to software functionality and interior craftsmanship. The goal is to ensure that customers receive a vehicle that meets the expectations of the luxury segment. For 2026, Jeep has simplified and refined the Grand Wagoneer lineup. The exterior receives subtle but effective updates that give the vehicle a cleaner and more modern appearance. A redesigned front fascia, updated lighting elements, and a revised grille help distinguish the latest model from previous versions. The overall design remains unmistakably Grand Wagoneer, but the updates add a fresh look without losing the vehicle's premium identity. Under the hood, the standard Grand Wagoneer is powered by Jeep's Hurricane twin turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6-cylinder engine. The power plant produces 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, the engine delivers strong acceleration while also improving efficiency compared with traditional larger displacement engines. Capability continues to be one of the Grand Wagoneer's strongest selling points. When properly equipped, the vehicle can tow up to 10,000 pounds. That makes it one of the most capable luxury sport utility vehicles available today. Whether hauling boats, trailers, or recreational equipment, the Grand Wagoneer combines luxury with real-world utility. Inside, the 2026 model continues to impress with premium materials and advanced technology. Buyers can choose from high-quality leather seating surfaces, multiple digital displays, premium audio systems, and a wide range of comfort features. The cabin is designed to provide a first-class experience for both drivers and passengers, especially on long road trips. Technology plays a major role throughout the vehicle. Large infotainment screens, driver assistance systems, connectivity features, and available passenger displays create an environment that feels modern and sophisticated. Jeep has also focused on improving user experience through updated software and enhanced digital integration. Perhaps the biggest story surrounding the 2026 Grand Wagoneer is what comes next. Jeep is preparing a range-extended electric vehicle version that will be built alongside traditional gasoline-powered models. This future variant is expected to combine powerful electric motors with a gasoline generator system, delivering impressive performance and extended driving range. The introduction of this model demonstrates how the Warren Truck Assembly Plant will play a critical role in Jeep's transition toward electrified vehicles. The 2026 Jeep Grand Wagoneer represents more than just another model year update. It showcases the continued evolution of one of America's most recognizable luxury sport utility vehicles, while highlighting the importance of domestic manufacturing. From advanced production technology in Warren, Michigan, to new powertrain options and luxury features, the Grand Wagoneer remains a flagship vehicle designed for customers who want premium comfort, capability, and innovation in a single package.